Welcome to 1241 Maple Ridge Drive, a beautifully maintained 4+1 bedroom brick home with 5 washrooms, nestled within the Maple Ridge neighbourhood of Pickering's family-minded Liverpool community. At the end of a tiered interlocking walkway is a nicely sized south-facing terrace, as well as a stately recessed entrance. The front door dressed with sidelights and opening into a spacious foyer and reception hall finished with crown moldings and upgraded ceramic flooring. Immediately to the right is the formal living room, which is open to the formal dining area, and both having oversized bay windows allowing for an abundance of natural light. The living room also features light-diffusing blinds on its window, as well as the elegance of decorative crown moldings. Hardwood flooring adds rich warmth to these two entertaining spaces, and the pot lighting that complements their natural brightness is featured throughout much of the main level. The foyer ceramic flooring also flows into a side hall as well as into the kitchen area, while the richness of hardwood flooring is featured in the family room, which has the second of 2 sliding door walkouts to the backyard on this level that also allows diffused natural light to fill the room, enhancing the airiness of this space. A gas fireplace surrounded with a painted white brick mantle spreads cozy warmth, and for entertaining convenience, the family room also features a wet bar finished with a quartz counter. The adjacent custom kitchen is an absolutely stunning work and gathering space and a blend of traditional and modern design features. The center island is illuminated by metal pendant lights, and a stainless steel facade wraps around the base of its breakfast table extension. Stone countertops and stone-tiled backsplashes harmonize beautifully with creamy colored cabinetry that has extended height uppers with moldings, valance lighting, a built-into-the-wall pantry, and a microwave niche. The sleekness of a stainless steel oven with gas cooktop, its range hood, the side-by-side fridge freezer, the built-in dishwasher, and a double-wide undermount sink with upgraded faucet integrate well with the more traditional design elements. And the kitchen also has the charming touch of a chalk wall for those important daily reminders. Above the breakfast area is a skylight, and light also floods through oversized windows that provide unobstructed views of the backyard. This premium-sized yard is fully fenced, surrounded by trees and shrubs, and has existing gardening beds for veggies and flowers, while a large deck with a hot tub offers plenty of entertaining space, and the breakfast area also has the main sliding door walkout to access this wonderful outdoor retreat. The formal dining room has a scrolled metal chandelier that accentuates the classic elegance of the space, and its soft, neutral decor set against crisp white trims is carried throughout this level. Which additionally features a double coat closet in the foyer, a laundry room with access to a double-car garage and a stacked front-load washer and dryer, curved staircase with dark-stained hardwood treads and railing, white risers, and wrought iron spindles to the upper level. And not to be overlooked is the gorgeous powder room, which has stone-tiled walls, contemporary vanity with countertop basin, as well as upgraded vanity and pendant lighting. The upper level showcases dark hardwood flooring throughout, 4 spacious bedrooms, as well as 2 beautifully appointed washrooms, and with crown molding adding a finishing touch in the hallway, which is brightened by an elegant light fixture and a solar tube. The 3rd and 4th bedrooms both have large windows with backyard views, while the 2nd bedroom has 2 southeasterly facing windows for bright natural light. And these 3 bedrooms additionally feature good-sized closets, ceiling fans, as well as privacy blinds on their windows. These bedrooms also share amongst them the updated common use 4-piece washroom, which features upgraded tiles, pot lighting, a shower area with sliding glass door and both a glass-tiled accent wall and shower niche, as well as a vanity with quartz counter and undermount basins. With 3 windows and dual exposures, the master suite is bathed in natural light, is additionally brightened by a contemporary ceiling fan light, and this generously sized personal space can also accommodate 2 cozy sitting areas. The ensuite washroom has a split design for everyday convenience, with the short hall off this bedroom having a gorgeous wall-to-wall vanity with a marble counter, marble-tiled backsplash, undermount basins, and pot lighting. Also off this hall is the walk-in closet, while the private ensuite facilities showcase a freestanding tub, upgraded floor and shower wall tiles, pot lighting, and a shower area with glass door, as well as a glass-tiled accent wall. Chair rail lines the staircase wall to the lower level, and off a spacious landing finished with wide plank laminate flooring and pot lighting are good-sized storage areas including a cold room, as well as a 2-piece washroom with a tiled floor and a space-saving Euro vanity. Pot lighting and laminate flooring are also featured throughout the remainder of this level, which is a self-contained 1-bedroom in-law suite with its own separate entrance. Featuring a laundry area with a stacked front-load washer and dryer, and with a storage closet right next to it. This very spacious apartment showcases a family room with a brick fireplace that can be combined with a dining area, a kitchen with polished floor tiles, a peninsula with seating, ample cabinetry storage, as well as a stainless steel fridge, double sink, and a stove. Upgraded floor and wall tiles in a 3-piece washroom with a corner glass shower and a vanity with quartz counter, as well as a generously sized bedroom with an oversized basement window. And up its staircase and right outside the exterior entry door is a covered deck that is exclusive to this suite. Ideal for multi-generational families, and a short walk to Maple Ridge Public, St. Isaac Jogues Catholic Elementary, and Pine Ridge Secondary Schools, as well as being minutes from the Glendale Marketplace Plaza. This home is also just a short drive to the Pickering Town Centre Mall, the GO Station, and has easy access to Highway 401, as well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.